Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we work on the ending sounds in words. So what we're going to do first is look at the food picture, pull that word out and see what sound it stops on, and then I'm going to have you search for a certain sound. So here we go. Our words are cheese. Ready? Pull it out. Cheese. Do it again. Cheese. Are you listening for the last sound that it stops on? One more time. Cheese. Now pull out cucumber. Here we go. Cucumber. Again. Cucumber. One more time. Cucumber. Which of the two ends with the s sound? Did you say cheese? If you did, you got that one correct. Now let's pull out these two sounds. So first we have strawberry. Ready? Strawberry. Again. Strawberry. One more time. Strawberry. And meat. Here we go. Meat. Another time. Meat. One more time. Pull that word out. Meat. Which of the two stops on the t sound? I hope you picked meat. Okay, let's do fish and lettuce. Here we go. Fish. Again, fish. One more time. Fish and lettuce. Here we go. Lettuce. Again, lettuce. Pull it out once more. Lettuce. Which one stops on the sh sound? I hope you picked fish. Okay, our last two, chicken and egg. Here we go. Chicken. Another time. Chicken. One more time. Chicken and egg. Egg. Again. Egg. One more time. Egg. Which one stops on the n sound? Did you say chicken? I hope you did. Good job. See you next time.